Are you looking into a drift cart for your kid? They are so fun. Let me tell you why we love them. It has a 12-volt electric motor. It has an adjustable seat. It goes 5 miles an hour. It is such a fun drifting cart, which means that the back pedals go at a fun 360-degree spin when you turn the front handles. There is a safety belt. It's got a low center of gravity, a comfortable seat. We love that you can adjust the seat. It goes from, I think, 37 inches all the way to 41 inches. It's multifunctional. There's music. You can connect it to your Bluetooth. There's radio and a headlight. We took this out to the park and we couldn't have been more thrilled. We loved it. It's rated online for ages 6, and I think it's rated all the way to an age 12. It does come in 4 different fun colors. You have a red, a deep red, a blue, and a pink, which we decided on. And really, this just gave us tons of fun laughter for the day. It has a great battery charge time. It's a 12 hour for full charge, and then it lasts a pretty long while. I do love that the speed is totally controllable with the throttle handle. And so you can slow down or speed up to that max, 5 miles an hour. The use time, I think, is rated 65 minutes total. And yeah, we love it. So shout out to the company who sent it our way. It came just in time for my daughter's birthday, and we totally recommend this to anyone else. It is such a 10 out of 10.